Hi there, welcome to Debutify. In this quick video, we'll walk you through how to set up and customize the newsletter section. The newsletter section helps you effortlessly add a newsletter sign-up to your store. It makes collecting customer emails simple, so you can stay connected with your audience, promote offers, build relationships, and grow your marketing strategy all in one place. Let's get started. Accessing the section. To access the newsletter section, start by opening your customized Debutify theme. Next, go to Template and locate the newsletter section. To enable or disable this feature, go to Theme Settings, then open Free Widgets. Once enabled, return to the template and select the newsletter section. To add it, click Add Section, search for Newsletter, and select it. After adding the section, you'll be able to customize all available settings. Under Show On, you can choose where the newsletter section will be displayed: desktop, mobile, and both. You can also enable full width to stretch the section across the entire screen. You can enhance your newsletter section by adding rich media content to make it more engaging and visually appealing. You have 3 media options to choose from. Upload a media image to display a static visual background or banner. Select a media video to create a dynamic, animated experience. Or add a video URL to embed content directly from external sources. Enable autoplay if you want the video to start automatically when the section loads, or disable it if you prefer users to manually play the video. Enable mute to play the video silently by default, ideal for background videos, or disable it to allow audio playback with sound. You can also adjust opacity 1% to 100% when the video is set as a background, allowing you to control how subtle or prominent it appears within the section. For desktop devices, you can control both the size and placement of the video. The video height option lets you choose between small, medium, or large, allowing you to define how much visual space the video occupies within the section. The video position setting gives you flexibility to place the video in different areas, such as background, top, bottom, left, or right, helping you align the video with your overall layout and design style. For mobile devices, you get the same level of control to ensure the video adapts perfectly to smaller screens. You can adjust the video height to small, medium, or large, depending on how prominent you want the video to appear. The video position can also be customized as background, top, or bottom, ensuring the content remains visually balanced and user-friendly on mobile devices. Enhance your section's visual appeal with background patterns, designed to add depth, texture, and personality to your storefront. Choose None to hide the background pattern, or explore a variety of styles, including curved grid, rings, diamond grid, quatrefoils, hexagons, intersecting circles, brick wall, formal invitation, Jupiter, YYY, temple, and lips. From subtle geometric textures to bold decorative designs, each pattern brings its own distinctive character to help you create the perfect look for your storefront. All background patterns come with the same set of customization options, giving you full control over their appearance. You can select a color that matches your store's branding, ensuring the pattern blends seamlessly with your overall design. Adjust the size to control how large or small the pattern appears. You can set a value between 4 pixels and 100 pixels, allowing for anything from fine, subtle textures to bold, eye-catching visuals. You can also fine-tune the opacity, with values ranging from 1% to 100% to control the transparency of the pattern. Lower opacity creates a soft, subtle background effect, while higher opacity makes the pattern more prominent and visually striking. Match the newsletter section to your store's branding with color schemes, including light background, primary background, secondary background, dark background, or custom. Create your own color palette for full control over the section's appearance. Adjust top padding to control the space above the section content. Choose from Inherit, None, Small, Medium, Large, or Custom. If you select Custom, you can manually set a value between 0 pixels and 100 pixels. Similarly, bottom padding lets you control the space below the section using the same preset or custom options. You can enhance your section with blocks such as advanced double button, caption, description, double button, icon, icon with text, image, single button, subtitle, and title. Each block comes with its own customization options, giving you full control over your layout. Start by clicking the email form block to set up your newsletter form. You can enter a customer tag, which will be assigned to the customer and can be used to trigger email automation workflows. You can also define an already subscribed message, which will be displayed when a user attempts to subscribe with an email that is already registered. You can customize the full name label text to match your store's language, tone, and branding style for a more consistent user experience. Similarly, you can customize the email label text to improve clarity and align it with your store's communication style. You can set the opt-in checkbox label to define the consent message shown to users before they subscribe. You can also customize the button label to control the text displayed on the form's submission button. For visual enhancement, you can enter an icon name to display a built-in icon within the form. Additionally, you can upload a custom icon to better match your store's branding and design identity. You can customize the button's appearance by choosing from the available styles: link, default, solid, and outline. You can also adjust the button size by selecting Inherit, small, medium, or regular. And that's it. Your newsletter section is now ready to go. If you need any help, feel free to contact the Debutify support team. We're always happy to assist. Thanks for watching, and happy customizing with the Debutify theme.